Welcome back. This is Rajit TJ. Today we're going to discuss one more problem on efficiency of the joint. Here the bolts are in zigzag form, not in rectangular format. They are in zigzag form. Here the problem statement: determine the efficiency of the joint as shown in figure with zigzag bolting. Use M16 bolt with property class 5.6 grade. So this is the figure. They given 1, 2, 3, 5, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 9 bolts here with the end distance of 35, gauge of 60 mm and 35. But pitch they are given here is in the same row, pitch is 80 mm. If you measure the pitch from starting column of the bolt to next bolt, we call it staggered pitch. Whereas two consecutive bolts in the same row we call it as regular pitch, that is 80 mm along the force direction. Perpendicular force and 60 is the gauge distance. So this pitch we call it a staggered pitch, that is from first bolt to next bolt in another row. This we call it a staggered pitch is 40 mm. Here both the plates they are connected is 10 mm thick. So this is another view. So we know how to write all the datas here. Now n is 9, gauge is 60 mm. The distance between the two consecutive bolts perpendicular to force direction, pitch is 80, staggered pitch is 40, end distance 35. So here also we should calculate what strength of a bolt in shear and bearing. If the bolts are in split shingle shear, I will assume 13 shear plane. We know how to calculate the area. If you calculate VDSP, it comes up to be 36.21 kilonewton. Design strength of the joint will be into number of bolts of VDSP. We're going to get 325. So now design bearing strength of a single bolt is formula VDPB 2.5 kb dtfu by gamma mb. We know how to calculate kb, the least value of all the four, that is 0.648. Here VDPP, least pitch thickness, that is the given both the plates same thickness, 10 mm thick, 85 kilonewton. If you multiply with the 9, that is number of bolts in the joint, you're going to get the bearing strength of the entire joint, that is 765 kilonewton. So next one is tensile strength of the plate according to class 6.3.1. Here this is the formula. If you look into the code here, if you look into the code 6.3.1, this is the formula. 0.10 ANFU by gamma m, where gamma m is 1.25 for ultimate resistance of the metal. So AN is the formula Bn minus NdH plus sigma PSI square 4GI. What is PS? PS is staggered pitch length between line of bolts. G is the gauge distance between the bolt holes as shown in figure. This is the gauge distance between the bolts, whereas the from first column of the pitch to next adjacent pitch we call it as staggered pitch, that is PH. B is the width of the plate. Here we should be careful while calculating what? Tensile strength. All other things are same as that of previous problem. Here AN calculation for zigzag bolts or staggered pitch, this is the formula. So here if you look into the original figure, so this is the pattern of the bolt. If you take any section, this is the pattern. The bolt section may fail like this from starting here 1, 2, 3, 4. So along this line the one section may fail, that is probability of failure of the connection. Second one may be from here 1, 2, it passing the bolt of this bolt after it may come here instead of going here. 5 again it may come back, and 4, that is second case. Otherwise it may go like this 1, 2, 5, 6. This is third case. This is the different possibilities of failure of joint. So first we're going to analyze in detail all this, and we're going to calculate the area. Whichever is less area, that one we should take it as what? The least value. That is the major thing we need to draw on from the analysis. First I will take a section 1, 2, 3, 4. If you take here, how many bolts are falling in this section is only 1 and 2. 2 bolts are falling in this section. Therefore, if we calculate what AN, what is the formula? B minus N DH is what? 18 mm diameter of the bolt plus 0. What is this portion becomes 0? There is no staggered pitch along the section what we considered here. So here considered here, there is no staggered pitch all are in the same line. Therefore, the second portion becomes 0. We're going to calculate AN. Then accordingly that what? That AN value that is comes out to be what? 1540 millimeter square. That is section 1, 2, 3, 4. If you take section 1, 2, 5, 6, if you see the original figure here, 1, 2, 5, 6, this is the, from here we started here along this line. Now we are here, we are going to 5. We are deviating from 2 to 5 for the first time. Again we are deviating to reach 3. Here again we are deviating from this line to this line. 2 times we are deviating. That means we need to take what? 2 times of deviation here. So if you take taken what? 1, 2, 5, 3, 4. If you take 2 times of deviation, 40 square staggered pitch, 4 into 60 is the what? Gauge distance into thickness. Where how many bolts are passing? 2 bolts have passed here along the section. Where B is the width of the plate, 190. If you take 1, 2, 5, 6 section, say a second case here, 1 bolt I have passed here. I am deviating first 1 time, again reaching this part. How many bolts I have crossed here? Only 2. In all the cases we have crossed what? In the first case we have crossed 2 bolts. In the second cases we have crossed what? 1, 2, 3 bolts. In the third, in another case, that is 1, 2, 5, 6 section case, we have passed 2 bolts. So like that we have to calculate what? AN value. If we are deviating only for 1 time, then we multiply with 1. If we are deviating 2 times, we need to multiply with 2. This value here, how many times you are deviating, we need to multiply the value according to calculate whichever is least A, that will be the critical one. Out of this, the 1450 1493 is the least section. So for this we should calculate what TDN value. It comes out to be 443.8 kilonewton. We know desert strength of the joint will be least of shear, bearing and tensile strength of the joint, that is 325.94 kilonewton. So if you calculate the strength of the solid plate, in the same formula, here we should take P into T for AN. F ultimate strength of the plate, AN is B into T. If you calculate, it comes to be 560.88 kilonewton. Efficiency will be what? Least strength by solid strength of the plate, it comes out to be 58.11%. This is what the efficiency of a lap joint in case of staggered pitch. Thank you.